birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ay, crying.
It's okay, Beboo. Beboo. We are going to celebrate Beboo's birthday. Okay? And this globe is the Earth. One complete circle around the sun makes 1 year. Okay? 3 years ago, Mommy, what's your name?
Myrtle.
Myrtle. Mommy Myrtle gave birth to a cute baby boy whom they named Beboo. Okay, friends, let's sing now on 1, 2, 3. The earth goes around the sun. The earth goes around the sun. Once a year and every year, the earth goes around the sun. That was complete year around the sun. Beboo is now 1 year old. When he was 1 year old, he was with his dad. This is his dad. And this one is with his mommy. Look. Hey friends, so what can you say about Beboo here, friends? Look. No, raise your hands. Say, Mommy, what's this all about on this picture?
It's Bebo's first time at Boracay.
Wow!
It's the
Okay, so
beach.
Beboo is at the beach, friend. There's no picture of beach, but this is Boracay. Do you know where is Boracay? It's here in the Philippines, right? So, did you swim here, Beboo? Did you enjoy? Oh, yes. Say yes, teacher. Yes, okay. So this is Beboo when he was 1 year old. Friends, first birthday, right? Yes, this is your first birthday, Beboo. Do you still remember this? Uh-huh. Okay. Okay, friends, let's sing again on 1, 2, 3. Earth goes around the sun. Earth goes around the sun. Once a year and every year, the earth goes around the sun. That was around the sun. And what's now? 2 years old. This is Beboo when he was 2 years old. Look, what is he doing here? Yes, and what? Yes, okay, let's hear from Beboo. What are you doing here, Beboo? You are playing with the electricals here, right? Where always go here and play, Beboo? Yes. Are you with mommy here? Yes, say yes, teacher. Yes. Okay. Did you enjoy playing here, Beboo? Yes. Say yes. Okay, friends, have you been here, friends? This one. Yes, this is also Beboo when he was 2 years old. Where is this, Beboo?
Your favorite place?
Yes. Where's this? In Hong Kong. We're in Hong Kong. In Disneyland.
Good job.
Okay. What can you say about Beboo, friends? Is Beboo happy here? Anika and? I'm happy? Yes? Yes. You are happy here, Beboo? Oh, did you see Mickey Mouse here? So this is Beboo when he was 2 years old. Okay, friends? Yeah. Okay, Beboo, you can stand up now and walk. Come on, stand up, Beboo. Come on.
Go up
Stand up
now.
now. Come on.
Go up there.
Oh,
Later.
later. Okay, okay. Can you give me the globe now? Okay, friends, let's sing now on 1, 2, 3. goes around the sun. The earth goes around the sun. Once a year and every year, the earth goes around the sun. Once a year around the sun. The voice now.
Oh my god.
3 years old.
Yes, he can follow our routine though, but still under process. He is working with Teacher May, so that's Teacher May. Teacher May, can you say something? Yes, Dugo po is nasa process pa rin of learning the routines, the rules po, yung successful. And that's okay kasi bago pa lang, nag-a-adjust pa rin po si Bebo. And we're happy na hindi na po siya crying, unlike yung first day. We observe na happy na siya kapag napasok dito. And he's very, he loves to watch also his friends here. Kung ano po yung mga ginagawa siguro nila. Maybe he is aware kung ano yung mga ginagawa and he also wants to do it also. Usually, what material he is working on in teacher
Yes, ang puzzle po.
Ang puzzle.
3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Up na ba? Up.
Okay.
Oh, why? Go, Dana.